Hi guys, it's Sweet Tooth. Today I'm unboxing a Premier Decorations Limited 40 LED chaser lights. This is warm white LED suitable for outdoor and indoor use. These were bought a while back, but I don't know if you can get these now. That's the back of the box. So let's just crack on. I've got my Silverline box cutter. I did a review on that one. Just open that a bit. Probably see. Oh. So the first thing in the box is just cardboard, lights, instructions. It says here, which is the Premier small bump on there as well. Right, so I want to see what's in it. Right, so these are the lights themselves. Pretty big actually. The fact that like the LED chasers is, you know yourself, it's energy efficient. That's what you want. That's the plug. So I'm gonna have to sort out these. I'm just gonna plug them in over here. So, okay, I'll put the light off. So I've got a few settings on this. I've got like a steady away, quick. That's pretty cool. Like that. On. Discotheque. That'll be just slow off on. Yeah, fade out. Yeah, so that's it guys, a quick look at that. Premier 40 LEDs. I might put them outside. Not sure, I'm not really celebrating Christmas. I only give that just because basically my mother gave us it last year. I stick it out, I don't know. But anyways, quick look at that. Thanks guys for watching, and we'll catch you later.